Mayberry Jamaican Equities says its latest bond offer, which closed last week, was oversubscribed. The company was looking to raise up to 1.5 billion Jamaican dollars to refinance its debts and expand its investment portfolio. The basis of allotment is expected to be released soon. First Rock Real Estate says it has repaid its debt to Sagicor Bank, ending the receivership for Hambani Estates. In June, Sagicor placed several lots of the luxury housing development in receivership after First Rock failed to repay a $10 million loan. According to First Rock, it used the proceeds of a corporate note structured and arranged by Mayberry Investments to repay Sagicor fully. Jamaica's point-to-point inflation rate fell to 1.2% in August. That's the lowest it's been since the 1960s. According to the Statistical Institute of Jamaica, the main contributors were restaurants and accommodation services, education, and information and communication. An increase in the cost of prep school fees led to an overall 10% increase in the education index, while the restaurants and accommodation services index rose 5%. These increases were buffered by an almost 6% fall in the information and communication index, which was mainly attributed to adjusted prices for mobile data plans. Global credit rating agency Fitch has maintained its credit rating and outlook on Jamaica after the country's recent general election. The agency said it does not expect any significant economic or fiscal policy changes following the re-election of the Jamaica Labour Party for a third term. Fitch kept Jamaica's rating at a BB- with a positive outlook. It also forecasts the island's debt-to-GDP ratio to decline to 59% in 2027, 1 year ahead of the 2028 target. The U.S. Federal Reserve has finally cut the benchmark interest rate for the first time since last December. The U.S. Central Bank announced a 25 basis point reduction, bringing interest rates to a range of 4 to 4.25%. The Fed has also signaled that more cuts are likely this year. President Donald Trump had been pushing for the central bank to reduce borrowing costs in order to spur economic growth, but the Fed said its decision was based on the need to support a weakening job market.